नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ ठीक होंगे, खुश होंगे। मैं हूँ हज़ीका अली और मेरे साथ हैं
तारिक नियाजी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल। उम्मीद करता हूँ ठीक होंगे, खुश होंगे। दोस्तों जहाँ रहें खुश रहें, माँ बाप का ख्याल करें क्योंकि माँ बाप पे तो सब कुछ है। आज की हमारी वीडियो है
फॉरेनर्स फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑफ न्यू दिल्ली। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो को। लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके गाइस, तो वीडियो का टाइटल है फॉरेनर्स फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑफ न्यू दिल्ली इंडिया। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Good morning from New Delhi, India.
Namaste.
We arrived last night and it's our first full day today in New Delhi. So our mission is simple. Get a SIM card so we can have data.
Yes.
And then of course we want to find some food and some fresh drinks maybe would be nice.
And just walk around and explore really.
That's it.
See what Delhi has to offer.
Let's find a tuk-tuk. Helicopter.
Indian helicopter.
Indian helicopter. I
Yes.
love it. Okay, let's be 50. Chalo. Chalo. Thank you, brother. What's your name? Aapka naam kya hai?
Pau.
Pao.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
And you?
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Oh, you're a very nice tuk-tuk.
Very nice tuk-tuk.
Sorry, helicopter.
Helicopter.
Because you nice people.
Okay guys, we are in our first Indian tuk-tuk. So exciting. I love the green and the yellow. It's amazing.
Our first Indian tuk-tuk driver.
Every local
Helicopter driver.
Helicopter
Helicopter
driver.
pilot.
Helicopter
Indian
pilot.
helicopter driver.
Every local we've spoken to has basically warned us of the area that we're staying in, saying it's not safe here, you're going to get pickpocketed, don't go that way, go to the nice tourist place, it's not safe, it's a slum area. But we're like, we know, but we just wanted to experience it, and then we'll move out to like the more touristy places.
How long you been tuk-tuk driver?
Since from 10 years.
10 years. Wow. You have the same tuk-tuk the whole time?
Not same, but kind of tuk-tuk,
Okay.
but different.
This is a Bajaj.
Bajaj.
Bajaj RE.
All the tuk-tuks in Delhi, yeah, they all are Bajaj.
Okay.
But you more looks like Indian.
Me?
Yeah, because of
You're the second person to say that I look like an Indian.
Two people said he looks Indian.
I'm half Middle Eastern, maybe that's why.
You're going to fit in nicely, unlike me with the blonde hair.
Careful your camera, hold tightly. People can grab it.
He just told me to hold on to the camera because someone might grab it. Guys, it's so busy here.
When it's a junction, it's called a choke.
Choke. Yeah.
Choke.
Yes,
This
you're
is
right.
a very busy choke.
Yes. We call Ajmeri Gate Choke.
Which one?
Ajmeri Gate Choke.
Ajumeni Gate Choke. Wow, there's just stuff happening from every angle.
Every
This is
angle.
by Google and Find.
Guys, it's super hot in Delhi today. Woo.
It's super hot in Delhi every day, I think.
We came from Nepal and we thought that was hot, but it's not compared to this.
Where are you planning to go after Delhi?
Jaipur, Mumbai, Kerala. Thank you, my brother.
Bye bye.
Bye, we'll see you soon.
I don't know what his blog name, but it's better.
We're going to give you the blog name.
Yeah, just send me a link. I will recommend also you.
Okay.
You give me a profit.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
See you again.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye, brother.
thank you. Okay, so yeah, he was a really lovely guy. It's very hard to walk without getting stopped. Okay, so guys, we got in the tuk-tuk originally going to Main Bazaar, and then we got caught in loads of traffic, and then the tuk-tuk driver said that basically in the morning, which is what it is now, said it's a really bad time to go there because there's loads of traffic and there's a high level of population, so lots of people there. It's very unsafe. What are you doing?
Just getting a map. I have a feeling we're not going to be able to walk anywhere in the cities of India without getting stopped every 5 seconds.
That's what I just said. Yeah, so instead he recommended to go to Connaught Place, which is a really lovely touristy area first, get our breakfast here, and then in the afternoon go back to Main Bazaar because that's when it's a bit better, it's less busy. So yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that is a very hello.
Jolly good.
Jolly good.
Sham Baba.
Shambhava. Let me take your card.
Sure, this is my card.
Thank you.
This is my travel agency.
Okay.
It's called Perfect Holiday India.
Perfect Holiday India. Perfect. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, Perfect Holiday India.
Okay.
So this part we're in right now seems to be quite modern, quite nice. We've got all the shops that we recognise. We've got Reebok, Puma, Levi's, shoe shops. It's also very peaceful around here, which I never thought I'd say in New Delhi.
No, peaceful, quiet are two words that do not go in the same sentence as New Delhi. But they do here.
Hello. The first street dog of India that we said hello to. And it was so cute.
Just spotted an Airtel shop up ahead. So I'll probably get a SIM card, but I don't have my passport or ID on me. Clever Adam! Let's see what they say.
We need original passport.
Original passport.
Yeah, with your visa and one Indian number. Any one Indian number, any friend.
We come back. Thank you so much. Dhanyabad. All right, I think we are too used to Southeast Asia where they don't ask for anything with a SIM card generally. So we'll just have to go back to the hotel, get the passport with the visa in it, and then come back. That has complicated things somewhat because now we don't really know how to get around with Google Maps because we don't have data. So
We don't know where to go.
we should have just got the one at the airport yesterday, really, shouldn't we? If you come to Delhi, just get the SIM card at the airport, save yourself the hassle, even if it takes a day to activate. At least you won't be stuck in our position right now. 38 degrees right now, according to Signpost India. They actually have no hawking zones here in Connaught Place. No spitting, no mucus, nothing. All right, we're back in a tuk-tuk, so we went back to the hotel to grab my passport, so now we can go back, get a SIM card and get plugged into the matrix.
We won't get very far without data.
No, it's a long way around, but we're better off just going back to get it and getting the data. Back at Airtel already. All right, let's get plugged in and go. That process was a lot more difficult than I anticipated it would be. We went back to Airtel and then they said we couldn't have a SIM card because we didn't have a friend or relative or someone who we knew's phone number, and we're like, well, how the hell did we get data or a SIM card then? So they just flat out couldn't give us one at all.
The worst part was the first time we went, the lady said we can use the hotel number, so we was like, okay, cool. We'll go back, get the passport, come back.
Tried giving them the hotel number.
And it was a different man this time, and he was like, no, you can't do that.
Apparently it's a government regulation, so they can't just give out SIM cards without you having someone else's number that you know here. So then they walked us to the shop next door, and the guy there helped us out with a Vodafone SIM card. So not Airtel, Vodafone. I don't think they're as good, but never mind. It was still the same deal, 1.5 gigabytes for 30 days. And we'll see how it goes, but it definitely wasn't ideal. I don't know why he could suddenly give me a SIM card without a number. We've got it and we're plugged in, that's the main thing. Now we're free to roam.
And we're hungry.
So we're in the outer ring, the outer circle of Connaught Place, that's it. I was going to call it Connaught Circle. And now all of the food is open.
Domino's Pizza.
Domino's Pizza here. House of Commons. Wow. Yeah, so now it's really buzzing and everything is open for business. Apparently the restaurants here do not open until 1 p.m. for lunch. When you come to a brand new city or a place that you've never been before, you kind of have this idea in your head of what it's going to be like, what your first day will be like. And almost always, like 90% of the time, it's not like that. And today is a perfect example of that.
It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we've not had any food.
Yeah.
Nothing.
We see pure vegetarian royal restaurant. That sounds good, eh?
Sounds good.
Our first proper meal out in New Delhi, India. Pepsi.
Oh, that was quick. Wow.
What the hell? That was so quick. We ordered that like 20 seconds ago.
Literally 20 seconds ago.
I hope it's not been standing around for a while, but it looks pretty hot.
Is it hot?
It feels really, really hot.
Okay, as long as it's hot.
So this is soy chapped masala, which is basically like a fake meat in a curry sauce, I believe. I think. Oh, thank you. And plain rice. Dhanyabad. And good news, Yaz. It doesn't look like there's any coriander on there for you.
Yay!
You're gonna do the honors and try it first?
Yeah. I'm just gonna taste the sauce.
You like it?
I like it. Yeah. That's really.
Something catch your throat.
That's really nice. I like that a lot.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Is it really hot? Like temperature hot?
Yeah.
I'm gonna load up my plate with a bit of rice. And then, I don't know, just pour this gravy sauce over. It looks like it's really spicy. I hope it is.
It is quite spicy.
Yeah? Okay, good. We all know Adam needs his spice. Let's go for the chap.
It's good, right?
I really like that. Wow. Very juicy.
Lots of flavour.
But yeah, very nice. Thank you.
Is it good with the rice?
That is really flavorful.
Yeah, this honestly packs a punch. It's so flavorful. Really, really nice.
I wish it was even spicier.
This like gravy sauce, I'm not really sure what the flavour is, but it's amazing.
Oh, we forgot to mix onions in with it.
Oh yeah.
Got a whole plate of onion. Now more gravy as well. Otis. Oh yeah. All right. Now let's try it. I'm all done and I've made a mess. Still working on it.
I'm enjoying it, it's really good. So first Indian meal down.
Success. It was really, really good. The food isn't obviously, it's not cooked to order, but it was piping hot. 360.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So that was a soya chaat masala, a portion of rice, 2 Coke,
2 Pepsis.
2 Pepsis, sorry. You get a plate of red onion,
Yeah.
which we've never had before, but I think that might be complimentary.
Yeah, so $4 all in all.
$4 for all of that food. It's really good.
Bahut dhanyavad. Thank you.
My mouth is on fire, but in a nice way actually. It's really tasty.
Dhanyavad ji. Thank you. That was delightful. Let's hope we don't get Delhi belly from that. Like
No,
I said,
the
the
food
food
was
was
hot, yeah.
piping hot. So
That's
we should be
one
good.
That's one thing to check out for as tourists. Just make sure your food is hot.
We'll let you know in the next video. Okay, back into the calm and serenity of Connaught Place. We're right at the outside now, so we're going to walk right into the middle bit.
Round the upstairs, round the outside.
Rajiv Chowk. All right, this is the famous fire pan. Are you going to give it a try?
I'll let you try it first.
Okay, that's fine by me. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
We try some fire pan?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. What flavor do you have?
Strawberry, chocolate, blueberry.
Strawberry.
What
I think
is it?
strawberry. What's inside, brother?
Only this one rose petal with sugar now.
Rose petal with sugar. So it's completely vegan?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Let's do it.
We're doing it right now?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
Come.
I'm not ready.
Come,
Okay.
come, come. Don't move. Hello.
Wow.
The cold one.
Tell me.
You try?
Talk to me in a minute.
There is, excuse me, there is so much going on in my mouth right now, I can't even describe it. That is,
What I want to know is your mouth okay?
no, my mouth, oh, the fire bit is like, meh. You can feel like acrid smoke going down your throat, but actually not bad. The fire bit isn't bad.
Right?
The flavors right now are really intense. You are not gonna like this, I promise you, you're not gonna like it, but you have to try it. Wow. It's so intense, but ooh, there's a lot of it as well.
Do you eat the leaf?
Yeah. There is a lot of it. It completely filled my mouth and now it's taking forever to chew. I like it. I'm going to be here until tomorrow chewing it. It's hard to describe the flavour. It's like minty, but then super fruity and then quite bitter, a little bit of sour. I can't wait to see you try it.
Come.
Hey. A big finger.
How many people's mouths do you think his hands have been in today? Oh my god. No, no, no.
I don't like it.
I knew it. I knew you wouldn't like it.
Sorry.
So rude. At least I ate it.
Oh god. That is horrendous. I literally gagged.
But the fire bit isn't bad, is it?
No, it's nothing. Yeah, there's loads of. Oh, I'm not gonna look at that. There's loads in there, and I don't like the flavour. I'm getting mint in my mouth though.
Very minty and toothpastey.
Yeah, it's just too much in my mouth. Way too much. But I bit his finger.
Did you actually bite his finger?
I bit his finger because I was scared and I didn't know what to do. So I tried to shut my mouth as soon as he put like it in my mouth because I wanted to make the fire go out so my mouth didn't like burn. I closed my mouth on his finger and I felt his like finger up against my teeth.
Oh, we need to pay. I completely
I
forgot.
didn't like it.
She didn't like it. I'll have it again.
I'm proud of myself, guys, for doing that though, even though I couldn't finish it.
Which one?
What other flavours good?
Adam's gonna go for another one.
मेरे को ग्राहक पैसे दे देते हैं, अब क्या वो पूरा कर देते फिर हो जाता है ना 2-4 दिन का ऐसे चलता
Strawberry
रहता है।
sauce. What is this one?
This one is the peppermint.
Peppermint. That's why. Okay.
मैंने एक कई बार एक घंटा के सामान लिए नहीं, कभी 2 दिन छूट गया, कभी 3 दिन छूट गया, मैं छोड़ता ही नहीं। काम किया तो क्या हो
It's
गया?
slightly better the second time. Did you see the smoke come out of my mouth?
No.
Okay, how much?
How you feeling, Adam?
100 का नोट पड़ा है उसमें कह रहे तुम
My mouth is getting a really big workout.
It was too much.
Danivad.
Honey bad. You have, is this for your hands or no? Ah, very nice. Honey bad.
Fin melenge.
Okay.
Okay.
Next time tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow again for breakfast. I'm still doing it. I'm still chewing it. Whew.
Even though I couldn't quite take that down, you have to try it because it's just something you got to do in Delhi.
There's so many flavours in my mouth right now that I've never had. And it's really overwhelming.
It was just too much.
Whoa.
Substantial.
And the volume.
Yeah, the volume of food.
Honestly, the fire isn't even an aspect of it when you once it's in your mouth so much. When you close your mouth, the fire just goes out and you just get a little bit of heat.
Yeah, the fire is nothing. I hope his finger's okay.
I tell you what, if we were going to get food poisoning from that place we ate before, we definitely won't now.
Not anymore.
Because that fire pan would have killed whatever is in our stomach right now. I can feel it. I can feel it burning.
Fire. Right guys, so that is enough excitement for one day. We've got so much more to explore here in New Delhi. We have not even scratched the surface. So stick around, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Now what?
जी जनाब, मज़ा आ गया।
अच्छा, मैं हमेशा ये सोचती थी कि यार ये फॉरेनर्स को क्या पड़ी है कि मतलब किसी और कंट्री का आपको व्लॉग दिखे ना दिखे, लेकिन फॉरेनर्स ज़्यादातर इंडिया पहुँचे हैं और इंडिया की व्लॉगिंग करते हैं और इंडिया की चीज़ें। आज वाकई पता चला कि इनको क्या चीज़ अट्रैक्ट करती है बेसिकली इंडिया की। ये लोकल खाने, ये शॉप्स, ये स्पाइसी फूड, ये पान, ये मतलब ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो शायद इनको अट्रैक्ट करती हैं।
बिल्कुल ऐसा
और
ही
ये
है।
इन चीज़ों को एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं और शायद मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये वाली लाइफ ये अपनी कंट्री में नहीं जी सकते या जीते होंगे।
बिल्कुल।
कि यहाँ आते ही नए एक्सपीरियंस ही करने के लिए आते हैं। वो जिस तरीके से पान खा रहे हैं और बात में कह भी रही थी कि मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि उसकी उंगली बिल्कुल सलामत रहे, यानी कि वो चबा गई थी। अच्छा, खाया नहीं जा रहा उनसे।
बिल्कुल।
मुझे ऐसा लगा। अच्छा, मैं हैरान हो रही हूँ कि नॉर्मली लोग खा रहे थे क्योंकि उनके साथ जो मेल थे उन्होंने तो आराम से खा लिया, जो मेल व्लॉगर थे, लेकिन इन्होंने बाकायदा बाहर निकाल दिया और जब इनके मुंह में डाला तो वो आधा बाहर ही था। तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि एडजस्ट भी नहीं हो रहा,
वो चबा ही नहीं पा रही
है।
अच्छा, ये वो लोग होते हैं जिनकी नेचर में घूमना फिरना,
नई से नई चीज़ों को जानना, टेस्ट
फिर
करना,
यूट्यूब बात की पैदावार है।
बिल्कुल।
फिर यही लोग जो है ये व्लॉगर बन के, मतलब व्लॉग कुछ लोग होते थे कि जो सफ़र करते थे ना, वो बाकायदा अपनी चीज़ें लिखते रहते थे।
सही।
मैं यहाँ गया, मैं यहाँ गया।
मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस।
अच्छा, मैं मतलब हम किसी की वीडियो देखते हैं कितना एंजॉय करते हैं, उनकी रियल फेस आ रहा है, उनकी रियल एक्सपेरिमेंट आ रहे हैं, जो वो कर रहे हैं वो रिकॉर्ड हो गया। लेकिन थोड़े ही अरसे पीछे चले जाएं तो लोग इस सफ़र को पढ़ के एंजॉय करते थे। मतलब एक शख्स बताता था कि मैंने एक शख्स देखा, पान वाला, पान वो इस तरह दे रहा था कि वो आग लगा के पान दे रहा था, तो फिर मैंने उससे
तो
पान,
मतलब डायरी वगैरह में लिखते होंगे, फिर वो बाद में पढ़ते होंगे,
किताबें छपती हैं, किताबें छपती हैं वगैरह। तो कहने का मतलब है कि वो पढ़ के भी लोग एंजॉय करते थे। मतलब कमाल है। और आज हमें कितनी सहूलत है कि हम प्रॉपर उसी वक्त का,
क्या एक्सप्रेशंस हैं
उसी वक्त का। अच्छा, लिखने वाले जो है ना, जो लिखते थे वो एक ही चीज़ लिखते थे, डिटेल से लिखते थे ताकि थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट रहे। तो मतलब है कि ये वही लोग हैं जो सफ़र करते हैं और आज उसके व्लॉग बनते हैं। तो हम मतलब है कि इतना इंजॉय करते हैं। अगर ये वीडियोग्राफी ना होती, ये सारी चीज़ें कैप्चर ना होती, तो शायद हम इस तरह के एक्सपीरियंस देख ना पाते। और आपकी बात सही है कि इंडिया में बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने को है, क्योंकि शायद ही मैं बिल्कुल यकीन के साथ कहूँगा, अगर कोई व्लॉगर है पूरी दुनिया का कोई ऐसा व्लॉगर है जो व्लॉगिंग इंटरनेशनल व्लॉगिंग करता है, शायद ही वो इंडिया ना गया हो।
ऐसा शायद ही होगा,
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही।
मैं तो 100% श्योर हूँ। लाजमी सबसे पहले तो मुझे लगता है इंडिया ही जाते हैं
सबसे पहले
जो पाकिस्तान आते हैं, जैसे कि लूक दमानते और एक दो और हैं, डैल फ्लिप्स है, तो वो लोग भी पहले इंडिया गए, फिर पाकिस्तान, फिर अफगानिस्तान, फिर ईरान। मैंने बाद में उनकी व्लॉग्स देखे डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ के, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है पहला उनका मरकज़ या पहला उनका एक सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इंडिया है।
अच्छा, जो अकेले थे ना लड़के, वो तो पाकिस्तान की तरफ आ गए, लेकिन कपल्स वाली कहानी पाकिस्तान की तरफ बहुत कम है। मतलब थोड़ा सा उनको डर है, थोड़ा सा खौफ है, और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें भी दुनिया में जाती रहती हैं, एक इमेज भी होता है। तो मेरे ख्याल में जो इस तरह से फैमिली है, मियाँ बीवी हैं, दोस्त हैं, इस तरह के व्लॉगर पाकिस्तान में आए होंगे, हमारी नज़रों से नहीं गुजरे, कम आते हैं, बहुत कम।
मैं अक्सर इनकी वीडियोस देखती हूँ, इनके लोग बड़े सपोर्टिव हैं। अब आपने देखा एक रक्शे वाला जो था, वो कैसे कितने खुश अखलाकी से बात कर रहा है, ट्रीट कर रहा है और उनको विश कर रहा है कि आप वही सही है, आप लोग सही सलामत सही है, और खुशी एक दूसरे से, मतलब वो जो कलामात होते हैं ना, वो जो कलाम करता है इंसान, वो जो कुछ डायलॉग्स एक्सचेंज करता है, उसमें ही जज कर लेता है वो एक दूसरे को। उसके बाद फिर आगे गए, तो जहाँ जहाँ जा रहे हैं, आपने देखा रेस्टोरेंट में गए, वहाँ पे बैठे जो सोया चंक्स खाए उन्होंने। अच्छा, मैं तो काफ़ी देर तक मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा डिश क्या, मैंने तो एक टाइम निकाल दिया मैंने सोचने में कि ये है क्या एग्जैक्टली।
अच्छा, नॉर्मल से रेस्टोरेंट में गए थे? ये
बिल्कुल लोकल सा नॉर्मल सा लग रहा था, आप सही कह रहे हैं। अच्छा, इन लोगों के अंदर मैंने एक आदत देखी है, ये बहुत कैफसी, मैकडोनल्ड या इन
तो हर जगह मिल जाएगा।
ये मुझे लगता है ऊब गए खा के बर्गर्स, पिज्ज़ा, जिंगर,
ये देसी की तरफ आते हैं।
ये देसी की तरफ आते हैं कि यहाँ की जो स्पेशलिटी है वो टेस्ट करें। अच्छा, स्पेशलिटीज़ जो इस तरीके के खाने, जैसे हम कहें हमारे यहाँ बिरयानी हो गई या निहारी हो गई, जो हमारा बड़ा माना जाना फूड है, तो वो नॉर्मली जो एक आप लोकल सी शॉप में देखेंगे ना, जो टेस्ट मिलेगा वो आपको बड़े से बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं मिलेगा। वो आपसे अच्छा खासा चार्ज करेंगे, लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों मुझे तो नहीं अच्छा लगता। मैं बिरयानी खाऊंगी, अगर मैं छोटी सी शॉप की बिरयानी खाऊंगी, उसमें जो स्वाद, उसमें जो टेस्ट होगा वो आपको बड़े वाले रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं मिलेगा। तो ये ज़्यादातर चूज़ी रहते हैं इस चीज़ को लेकर, और ऐसी जगहों को ही चूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पे इनको लगता है कि बस भर कर जायका मिलने वाला है हमें, और बिल्कुल रवायती टाइप का हमें फूड मिलेगा जो है, जो ट्रेडिशनल है। दूसरी बात ये कहना चाहूँगी, क्या बियर्ड रखी है भाई उन्होंने। फॉरेनर है, लेकिन मुझे काफ़ी देर तक मैं मतलब गुमान में थी कि शायद यार ये फॉरेनर नहीं है, ये इंडियन ही होंगे, वहाँ चले गए होंगे, फिर आएंगे। लेकिन आइस कलर और बात वगैरह और बिहेवियर वगैरह से थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो गया, लेकिन बियर्ड बड़ी कमाल के रखी है। मतलब ऐसे मैंने किसी और फॉरेनर को नहीं देखी, पहली बार इत्तेफाक हुआ है। बिल्कुल घनी और मिक्सअप हो रहे थे, आप देख रहे नहीं थे कि अगर कुछ 2-4 जेंट्स आ जाए तो ये बीच में कुछ अनफिट नहीं लग रहे थे। आप देखना अक्सर फॉरेनर्स जो व्लॉगर्स होते हैं ना, वो बिल्कुल अलग ही चमक रहे होते हैं। ये इनके अंदर वो वाली क्वालिटी नहीं है, मिक्स हो रहे थे। ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लग रही थी मुझे, यहीं के लोगों में से लग रहे थे।
रोमानिया के होंगे शायद।
हाँ, शायद हो सकता है।
लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा, इनका पहला व्लॉग था, हमने देखा, और दोनों ही 100% कपल ही होंगे, और मतलब खुश मिजाज थे, अच्छा अखलाक था दोनों का। दोनों मतलब रियल, बहुत ही ज़्यादा रियलिटी दिखाई इन्होंने। अगर कोई भी चीज़ हुई है, इनके साथ इंसिडेंट हुआ है, किसी चीज़ को स्कीप नहीं किया, प्रॉपर दिखाया, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। दोबारा किसी और से मुलाकात होगी, जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।